Lord have mercy. We're gonna do a quick roasted chicken today. We're gonna put her face down in that bed. And we're gonna scorch her with a little bit of broil mode. That's right. Gonna put the heat on that girl for about 30 minutes. Then we're gonna turn her over and start adding some veggies. Some carrots and potatoes and onions. And let your favorite rub take effect and broil her again. Another 15 minutes under broil, and she is so hot and bothered, and she is ready to go. Oh, looky here, she is ready to be devoured. With all those wonderful veggies and that crunchiness of that brown and crispy skin. Ah, the onions, the carrots, the potatoes, and would you just look at those breasticas? Oh, so juicy and delicious. Let's just take a trip around the world here. A little flyover, and don't it look good? And there's your roasted chicken, just like you would do a roasted beef. So now you have it. So put that in your smoke and pipe it. Huh? I'm Foodi Daddy, and I'll see you while I go.